These candy canes are offered at Crafty Little U, and I want to show you what comes in the kit and also show you all the different ways you can put these candy canes together. So they come with 5 candy canes, 2 facing right, 3 facing left. Then they come with these hooks that you glue on the back, and this is so the candy cane could be a tag around a gift, or you can hang it as an ornament. They also came with 5 bows. On this one, we just tied a bow out of ribbon and put it on a piece of string with some beads. You could do 1 candy cane with 1 bow, or you can crisscross some candy canes and put 1 bow in the middle. So let's glue on the hooks, and that's what we're doing on the back. Right here, we're gonna do a crisscross version, and we glittered our bow, because the more glitter, the better, right? And then we just continue to do different versions. So we have some singles with a bow just in the middle, and these are gonna look perfect to go and display on our Christmas tree.